Now, our topic factorization. In the previous lectures, I explained the quadratic equations, the situations when this product is coming positive. Now, the second type, when you multiply the coefficient of x square and the last term, then the product is equal to minus 36. Before all the questions, the product is the positive. Now keep one thing in your mind: when the product is negative, then the second term, this second term, we will denote by s, that is plus 5. But before that, the question, when we find the factors, this term we getting by adding. But now when the product is negative, then this term we will get by subtracting. So first of all, we have to find the two factors whose product is equal to 36. Think about that, what are the numbers that when we multiply together, then we will get the answer is equal to 36. 8 fours are 32, not suitable. 9 fours are 36. See this, 9 multiplied by 4, then what we will get the answer? 36, right? But what is the difference in the previous question and this question? In the previous question, we will take the both terms positive. We will take the both terms positive because we need the answer is product positive. But now the product is negative. The one term must be negative. So to think about, if we will assume that this term negative, the answer is equal to minus 36. It satisfies the condition of the product, but it does not satisfy the condition of this. Do you know why? Because we need plus 5 after subtracting this one. When we are subtracting this one, minus 9 and plus 4, that is minus 5. So means this is wrong. So you have to be arrangement of the pair negative and positive in such a way, when you subtract, then you will get the answer positive 5. So you have to make this 9 positive and 4 negative. Product is again negative, but we will get the answer when you are taking plus 5 and minus 4, then we will get the answer plus 5. Now the both conditions satisfied. When we multiply, the answer is minus 36, and when we will subtract, then we will get the answer plus 5. Now this central term, we have to make it two parts. First term remains same, it will not change. X square same. Then minus 36, it is also same, there is no change. This term split into two parts. In two parts, which are two parts? Using these two parts, which we have to find the factors. So you have to write plus 9, the variable same, you will use that one which is written here. So you will write 9x minus 4x, right? This term, central term, makes two parts. 9x minus 4x, first and last will remain same. So there are total 4 terms and 2 pairs. This is the first pair and it is second pair. Now we have to see that what is common in the first pair. See what is common in the first pair. There are x square, means that x multiplied by x, and this is only 9x. So x is common in the first pair. Equal sign is compulsory, you have to use that. When x you take common, so what is remaining? There are x into x, so 1x taking common, so 1x will remain. And the same sign plus, here x you will take common, so what is remaining inside? 9. After that, the negative sign, which sign is here, you have to write it here. What is common? X is not in the both terms. So which number is common in the both terms? Think 4 or 9. 4, because this term is divisible by 9, but this term is not divisible by 9. So 4 is common in the both terms. So here x remain. When you are taking negative sign common, the inside the bracket sign will be changed. Sign will be changed. If you will write the same sign, it will be wrong, because when you open the bracket, so minus into minus plus. But here, that's why you have to change the sign when outside the bracket. Negative sign always when inside the bracket sign will be changed. 4 divided by 36 divided by 4, we will get the answer 9. Right? Again, this bracket term must be same. If a little change, here plus or here minus, it means that you are wrong. So it must be same. X plus 9 we will take common. X plus 9 common. So what is remaining in this bracket? Out of this bracket, x. So you will write x. And what is remaining when you will taking x plus 9 common? So what is remaining? Minus 4. The final answer, x plus 9 and x minus 4, that is our final answer. This quadratic polynomials make the factors x plus 9 and x minus 4. It's final. Thank you very much.